ADP Dealer Services International is a market-leading supplier of software and service solutions primarily targeted at car motor dealers. The company traditionally sold its own software solution, Autoline, direct to end-user organizations. Over time, it's moved much of its business to an application-as-a-service approach, involving hosting customers' IT systems in highly resilient, secure data centers. Hosting has been a particularly popular option for ADP's customers in the UK, and 3/4 of the company's hosted infrastructure is now based here. To deliver optimum customer service, it was critical that ADP had access to the best available systems and solutions in this key marketplace.
The market shifted probably around 15 years ago with some of our major customers. They came to us and they were asking, could we look after their server for them? They wanted to outsource the responsibility of having to manage a high-end Unix system, which they didn't have the expertise to do. So they asked us to bring it into our own infrastructure and look after it ourselves, which is what we did. Those servers came up for renewals and they came to us and said, I don't want to buy new servers. Is there any way you could provide this as a service to us on demand? And then as we need more resource, you can provide it to us. So we decided to build a data center within our Newbury buildings. We then looked for a partner to work with. Bull were offering some high-end systems that we were looking for, something that was robust and reliable to ensure we made availability for our customers for the services. So the Escala AIX-based system is what started our venture, and that's what we really went for as the core to our infrastructure. And it was then that we worked with Bull to understand what the best solutions were to wrap around that server in order to provide a whole service. And that led us to taking on the EMC products, the Brocade products and the Cisco products. The technical account management was great. They wanted to understand our business and they wanted to advise us going forwards. Also key to us was that the continual development of their products. They were always taking the best of breed and always delivering a complete solution to us. We weren't left with holes in our infrastructure we had to fill ourselves. I think we've been treated like a big player, if you like, and I think one of our concerns with other manufacturers was that they were going to push us down distribution channels through various support levels, and we didn't need that. We had a highly skilled team ourselves, and what we needed is someone to work with who understood our business and would give us access to the necessary technical resources to make decisions. Bull have always been very supportive when we're in a pitch situation, allowing us not only to be competitive with our own hosted solution, but also if we're reselling large servers to customers, they've also allowed us to be competitive in those bids as well. We've always felt that Bull had a complete solution that we could use, and it's much easier working with one partner. We're very confident in the solution we've been given. It's been very reliable, and over the last 10, 11, 12 years, we've had very little outages, very little problems. I wouldn't hesitate in recommending Bull as a trusted partner for any company looking to deliver services from their own data centers.